In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google Chat ID. If you need to identify someone's Google Chat ID, the good news is that it's very simple. In Google Chat, the ID for a direct message contact is typically just that person's email address. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look and how to confirm it inside your Google Chat dashboard. To get started, open Google Chat and go to your main dashboard. This is the home area where you can see your chats, spaces, and recent conversations. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one account for work or personal communication. That helps you avoid checking the wrong chat list. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand column. This is where your direct messages are listed. In that section, find the conversation for the contact whose Google Chat ID you want to locate. When you see the right person, click on that conversation to open it. After the conversation opens, direct your attention to the top of the chat window. This is where Google Chat shows the contact information for the person you're messaging. In this case, the key detail you need is the email address displayed at the top of the conversation. That email address is the Google Chat ID. So if you were asked to provide someone's Google Chat ID, the value you would use is simply the email address shown there in the chat header. This is especially helpful if you're connecting Google Chat to another tool, setting up an automation, or just confirming the correct identity for a contact. Since names can sometimes be similar or duplicated, checking the email address is the most reliable way to make sure you have the right ID. If you don't immediately see the email address, make sure you've opened a direct message rather than a group conversation or a space, because those may display information differently. Also, try expanding the conversation details if needed, depending on your screen size or layout. And that's all there is to it. Go to your Google Chat dashboard, open the direct message for the contact you want, and then read the email address shown at the top of the conversation. That email address is the Google Chat ID.